Hi 7th graders, today we are going to learn how to use proportions to solve percent problems. So we are using our proportions knowledge to solve problems which will involve percent. So here's something for your notes, and of course this is objective, so it goes in your notes and in your content, a table of contents. Okay, there you go. This is some of your notes, so stop and write it down and then listen to me to explain it. All right, so we will set up proportion to solve percent problems, okay? And here it is how we're going to set it up. Obviously, you guys remember that proportion is two fractions separated by the equal sign. One fraction will be part, and then it will be the whole, and then percent and 100. Okay, the percent will be easy to recognize because the number will be next to a percent sign. The part usually goes is a number which goes with the word is, and the whole is a number which goes with the word of. So for example, here we have some questions, and you probably remember them from 6th grade, but we had a hard time solving such problems. But now when we know proportions, look how easy it will be. So we have, what number is 75% of 4? So I'll set up two fractions, right? I've set up proportion. So 75 is my percent. Percent goes on top. So there you go. I want to make sure you guys see it. Okay, the 100 always is there. So now I have to figure out, is 4 a part or a whole? Well, 4 is next to of, so that means it's a whole. So I'm looking for a part, right? I'm looking for a part. What number is? So I'm looking. How would I solve it? Well, cross multiply, right? So 4 times 75 divided by 100. Calculator if you want to. But you should know that 4 times 75 is 300. So I have 100x equals 300. So divided by 100, my number is 3. That's the answer for the first part right here. Okay, then this is the next problem. Excuse me. So 3 is what percent of 4? So what are we looking this time? Well, we are looking for a percent. So my setup will be a little bit different for a second one. I'm looking for a percent. The 100 is still there. And then 3 is a part. 4 is a whole. There we go. That's how it looks. So how we are going to do 3 times 100 is 300 divided by 4. Okay? So it is 75. Okay, now let's look set up for the last part. 70% of what number is 3? So this time we are looking for a whole, right? I don't know how much the whole number is. I know part is 3 still, and I have 75%. So if I solve it, is 300 over 75, which obviously we know it is 4. Okay, so these are 3 kinds of setups for those 3 kinds of problems. So let's try this one. Let's do the first one. Okay, what percent of 2000 is 204? Okay, so what am I looking for? A percent. Okay, so percent, I'm looking for it. And now is on the top, right? Because that's a part. 2000 is a whole. So now I have to multiply. And this time I'm going to use a calculator. Let's see if you guys can see it. Oh, yeah. Okay. There you go. And just for Hayden, handy dandy calculator. There you go. 204 times 100, obviously we know that, divided by 2000, can you see it? Yes, is 10.2. So the answer is 10.2. percent, right? That will be my percentage. Okay. All right, this one is for you. So you try to set it up. Go for it. All right, welcome back. Once again, we are looking for a percentage. And this time my part is 23, 92 is a whole. So I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator again. And do 23 times 100 obviously is 2,300. I'm going to divide by 92. The answer is nice and clean 25%. Okay. All right. Let's see. How about this one? Try it. Okay, welcome back. Now I have a percentage. I have my whole number, and I'm looking for a part, right? Because it's what number? So 20 over 100. I have my 55. I'm looking for my part. Okay, I'm going to use, let's see so you guys can see it. All right, 55 times 20 divided by 100, 11, which was easy, but that's okay. So 11 is the final answer. All right, another one. This is for you. Go for it. Okay, once again, we are looking for a part, right? Because we have 85%. I have that one. Of is my whole. I'm looking for this. I can use handy dandy calculator. Times 85 divided by 100 is 17. Okay, how's it going? Okay, hopefully it's going well. Let's try this one, the last one. I'll give you some time and then I'll solve it for you. All right, so this time your math teacher assigns 25 problems for your homework. You have done 60% of them. How many problems have you done? Well, obviously, I didn't do all of them because that's 60%, so I'm going to write that 60%. I'm asking how many out of 25 problems did I do it? And voila, that's my setup. So let's solve it. 25 times 60 divided by 100 is 15. I did 15 problems. And that's our lesson for today. If you have any questions, please ask. Okay, otherwise, good job. See you guys later. Bye.